Let me show you the easier way to check the wall outlet when your washing machine or gas dryer are not working. To check if there is electricity in the wall outlet, you could use a hair dryer that you know for sure is in good working order. Disconnect the washer or gas dryer from the wall outlet and connect the hair dryer to the outlet. Turn the hair dryer on. If the hair dryer works, then you know that the problem is not in the wall outlet. If the hair dryer doesn't work, the problem could be a bad wall outlet, a trip circuit breaker, or a blown fuse. Make sure that you check for a blown fuse or a trip circuit breaker before you start working on your washer or gas dryer. That was an easier way to check the wall outlet without having to use a multimeter.